1967 Ford Mustang Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 289 V8 underneath the hood, Edelbrock 4-barrel on it. And that is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Has had a repaint to the white you see with the blue stripes, kind of a grab a blue stripe if you will. Color keyed front and rear bumper on this one also. You are going to notice as we walk around this, I can kind of show you, paint does show its age a little bit. There may be some touch-ups, some previous work showing. We'll get into that in just a little bit, but first I want to tell you where to check out the still pictures so you're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, the trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's riding on centerline, polished wheels. Radial tires, technician did note the radial tires are showing their age, a little dry rot, kind of some dry cracking going on. Probably should be replaced before too long of drives are taken. And I kind of mentioned some of the previous work. There's a little spot on the door up here, a couple spots down below. It's one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. You want to take to the next level? Great. If not, it's priced accordingly. You can get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank. So bucket seats up front, 4-speed of course on the floor. Pioneer aftermarket stereo has been installed, as well as speakers. You see those on the rear deck. That stereo system is working, did have that working. So we take a look at the rear of the car again. Painted to match rear bumper. Those blue stripes continuing throughout the car. And again, there may be a little nick or a scratch here or there, imperfection. Also take a look at the underside. You'll be able to see that the floor pans have been patched in some areas. And again, those underside still pictures, as well as the rest of the car from every angle, over 100 pictures of this car online, UniqueClassicCars.com. Couple other notes from the technician that looked at this one. The reverse lights were in-op. He also said the brakes would need some attention in the near future. Gauges in-op, although the speedo worked, just reads about 10 miles an hour slow, as stated. And there's also a tack in there that is working. Hey, if you like Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here for Mustangs of every generation, no doubt about that. Let's go ahead and fire this one up. We're going to let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Get a look at the door panels here. Have a little separation. Driver one up at the top. A couple spots in the seats that have some wear, maybe been patched. There's black vinyl interior. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Great throttle response on this thing. Good sounding car too. Stereo working. Take a peek at that headliner. Let me get the hood pins out and we'll get this hood opened up. Take a look at that. And like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Alright, one thing I want to show you too, a little stress crack up here in this hood before I open it. Good look at the underside. And engine bay. There it is at 289. 4-barrel. 4-speed transmission. '67 Ford Mustang Coupe. a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1967 Ford Mustang in white with blue stripes. This is a stick shift 4-speed manual on the floor. There is a creak in the brake pedal that you'll hear from time to time. Both our turn signal indicators are working. The most fun part about this car is the acceleration. We do have a tachometer working right on the column, mounted in the center. The speedometer is reading 35 miles per hour. That may be correct. It is working. Now the oil pressure, temperature, and gas gauge are bottomed out. Those likely are not functioning. The alternator gauge is right in the middle. Our radio works from Pioneer, and the wipers work. Got the good look going with the raised hood, the hood pins. Those, are they Ford Racing colors? The white with the blue stripes. Comfortable bucket seats in this car. And a great sound. Makes you want to keep playing with the throttle just to hear it. The brakes are working. Manual steering, but it does corner well. It stays pretty flat. And there's that fun acceleration again. Take a look at all the pictures of this 67 Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.